Corrupted Zulu on the right. Give it up for Corrupted Zulu. Yo, y'all gonna have to wake up. It's gonna be a long night if you sit there being quiet. Power Thirst on the left. Power Thirst.
Give chocolate to your babies.
That's a little pedophilia style. Let's go.
Let's go!
Hold on, time out. You guys aren't being honest over here. Wait a minute, you know if you lost. Hold on, chill. Time out. You know Popsicle's drunk, that's not fair. If you lost your first round and you know it, don't try to sneak up here.
Wow.
Come on. Yo, they battle these guys.
Wait, I'm not that drunk. Hold on. Wait, I beg to differ on this one. I am not that drunk. I read it right. Come over here, my man.
Yo, you know what? I digress. It was not Popsicle's fault. He's reading it correctly. It's Pepe's fault. He put the wrong one on the chair. But yo, he's not drunk. He's slightly drinking. So, yo, my fault, guys. You guys knew you lost anyway, so you don't feel too bad. I'm sorry. It was Kinetic Kings, though. I'm sorry. You guys almost snuck by under the radar. Yo, doesn't matter to you. You're gonna battle whoever, right? All right, let's go. Let's do this. Yeah, Kinetic Kings is up.
Let's go!
I said I'm not that drunk. That was not my fault.
Yo, man, come on. Let's go, Kinetic Kings!
Okay. Kinetic Kings on my left. And Corrupted Zulu on my right. Corrupted Zulu, you guys are all right. You guys were right the whole time. Don't worry. I don't know what's going on.
Wow.
Let's go.
Let's go!
One round apiece. Routine jump for one round. Where's my crowd at? Woo! It's okay to clap, people. Nice. The next kid. Kinetic King, round one. Hey, oh, whoa. Corrupted Zulu. Round one, y'all. Yo, that's his fault. I'm pointing people out. I'm pointing people out. He's got him his own. That was his fault. DJ's fault, not mine. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, I didn't even know what you did. Don't worry about it.
I don't even know what you did.
Judges of a word.